Welcome to Epic Stock Due Diligence. Please subscribe at youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Thank you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Epic Stock Due Diligence. It's youtube.com/EpicStockDD. Now, as with all of my videos, everything I share is for entertainment purposes only. It should not be considered a recommendation to buy or sell security. Now, something that's really intrigued me as I've experienced penny stocks and big board stocks for that matter for many years now is the psychological element. And I know that's a recurring theme among many traders, and I'd like to hear your thoughts. What are the psychological elements that you see when you think about trading? What are those elements? And there's so much that goes on in one's mind when trading and or researching stocks. It's fascinating. And then there's the other side of the picture where you see people, these perceived big time traders, and they use all of these techniques to try to really convince a viewership that they are the king of stocks. You know, look at my expensive sports car, look at my mansion, look at my whatever material item of perceived value it may be. That's the other psychological element. It's just really, it's interesting to not look at stocks from a losing money or making money perspective, but to look at stocks from just all of the psychological elements pieced together. I mean, it is a fun house full of manipulation. I mean, it is. Most everything surrounding the stock market is manipulated somehow. You know, the traders, they're big shots. And then you got some other dude that's, walking around in a pair of gym shorts and a cut-off t-shirt that is not a trader, but actually is a bigger trader than the trader with the let's just say Ferrari or Lamborghini. So it's funny to really look at those psychological elements. And then the companies themselves. The companies themselves, for the most part, are scams. And they try to really get inside traders' heads and, oh, that news is coming soon, and oh, check this out, we're expecting great earnings. Keyword expecting. Forward-looking statement. And those types of things, just the things that people could say convincingly enough for the masses to buy into and be like, and they would jump to the assumption that that's fact and not forward-looking statements. And it's just that play on people's minds that the companies do, that the traders do, that the market makers do. Pretty much every level of the game is full of manipulation. And it's just really, it's fascinating. It really is fascinating. And that's, if you've watched my other videos, you know that I trade stocks. I trade stocks not to flaunt my failures or my successes. I trade stocks to have fun. It's a form of entertainment. It's a self-education process. It's an opportunity to learn something that many people don't know and to improve upon those skills and possibly share with others. So it's just a really cool pot of goodness. So with that being said, what do you think about stocks? What do you see when you think of a stock and you think of manipulation? Maybe it's not even manipulation in a negative way. Maybe it's manipulation in a positive way. What are these psychological elements that you see surrounding stocks? I want to hear your feedback. And be sure to stay on the lookout because I'm going to be hosting a virtual convention soon. And it'll be a live event where we can all join and chat in real time. So it ought to be really cool. I hope it turns out well. I don't have it scheduled yet. I'm still working to get my technology in place. And as soon as I have that and I feel that it'll be a successful broadcast, I'll send out an invite hopefully about a week before the event so that hopefully a lot of us can attend. So with that being said, I really appreciate your viewership. Thanks for watching. Share this video with others. Subscribe if you haven't already. YouTube.com/EpicStockDD. And check out my book if you want to. It's entitled The Penny Stock Perfectionist. It's available in the Apple iTunes Store. And you go to the main page of YouTube.com/EpicStockDD and look at the picture of me in front of that bull on Broadway. It says buy my book. You can check it out. If you want to buy it, that's cool. If you don't, hey, no problem. Y'all have a good day.